Listen, you gotta stand up from your slumber and face your fear. Let the poor breathe. Why are you so fearful? What is that? Listen, you gotta sit up for your right, stand up for your right, and face your fear. Say no to any kind of abuse and discrimination against any man or woman because God created us equal. Yes, that's exactly what you heard. God created us equal, so let the poor breathe. Stand up for your right, quick. You can't sow cassava to reap up cocoyam. Whatever you sow in this world, surely you must reap. You understand me? So get up from your slumber and face your fear, whether you like it or not. I want you to stand up right now. Where are you? Stand up right now and face your fear. Why are you so fearful? What is the challenge you have that is pulling you down that you cannot stand up for your and face your fear? I mean, who is that? Let me tell you something. You own your life to yourself. If you allow them to take over your life, the grave will be your eternity and you will never recover from there. I am telling you right now, you gotta stand up for your right, face your fear, and say no to any kind of abuse and discriminations against any man or woman because God created us equal. Period.